Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. My name's Jimmy, and I'll be guiding you in a dedication meditation. You get to give a gift by dedicating your practice to yourself, to a loved one, a stranger, the world, a greater cause. You get to play with this. Take a moment to choose your intention, and know this is a silent and powerful tool. And remember, if you practice this every day, the stronger your manifestation becomes. Now settle in and find a comfortable seated position, in a chair or on a cushion on the ground. Feel your body sitting and notice all the surfaces of the body that make contact with the ground. Sit with an upright spine and relax your hands wherever it's most comfortable. Allow your eyes to close or cast your gaze downwards. Breathing through your nose, take a few deep breaths. Release with a sigh. Now, let your breath be normal. We're here, we're present. Bring your awareness to your facial muscles and invite some ease here. Relax your jaw and tongue. Spread your collarbones like wings, and let your shoulders fall down your back like waterfalls. Notice, where do you feel your breath? Perhaps in your nostrils, chest, or belly. You may notice sensations like movement, tingling, temperature. Relax your facial muscles again, your lips, your tongue, your throat. Now, ever so slightly, invite a smile to the corners of your lips until you feel an inner smile. Perhaps there's a shift of energy, a warmth, a radiance of being. Feel this and soak it in. And invite your intention to relax in its warmth. Keeping this inner smile on the lips, bring your attention now to your eyes. And imagine if you could invite the corners of your eyes to smile. Feel this warmth and shine. And let your intention soak up its radiance. And be here for a moment. Now reconnect to your breath. Reconnect with your intention and trust it was heard. There's nothing else you need to do. And as we end this meditation, I invite you to bring a little kindness to yourself and thank yourself for practicing. And offer a little kindness in a more general way out to the world. And when you're ready, gently and slowly deepen your breath. And at the very end of an exhalation, and as you begin an inhalation, gently open your eyes. And thank you for practicing with Honeymood Meditations. Please comment below on what you noticed about your inner smile. See you tomorrow.